guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, we are going to camping for the first time. First of all, we stopped at Manavgat waterfalls because we want to take some pictures there. It was really hot, so make sure to bring your water with you. But it's an amazing place. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram. While we were walking, we found this cute animal and we found dragon fruit. It was my first time eating this fruit and it was actually real delicious. And now we're on our way to our camping place. Now we find a beautiful place and we're bringing our stuff here. Let me show you guys our view. And here is our view in the sunset. And this is the beautiful sunset. Where we are going to stay here under these trees. We have two tents and yeah. The sunset was magical there. So the thing is, we found a beautiful place, which is here is our more like a living room area. No, sorry, bedroom area and the kitchen area. And the dinner is served. Good night from the day one. See you tomorrow. As I was getting ready, we saw that we had a little friend come to us in the night. This is our second day here. It's really beautiful. We went down here to the sea, but you have to climb up and down. It's really hard, but it's worth it because down here there is a cave, and in that cave it's really shallow. The water only come up to my knees, and it was really beautiful. And then the rocks shaped like a private pool kind of cave. It was wonderful. I really want to show you guys. If you have chance, you must come and see here. It's really beautiful. We are preparing our breakfast. We're gonna eat that. And yesterday night it was a little bit humid, to be honest. But it's really beautiful today because the wind is coming, and I don't know if you can hear the wind right now, but it's really perfect. And yeah, see you guys along the way. Here is our breakfast crepe. While we were eating our beautiful breakfast, we saw that amazing clouds and we watched them. It was amazing. And now I'm eating my dinner. And it's the end of day 2. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And see you guys on the next video. Bye!